Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this elongated triangle, and they're trying to do this right here and rotate it evenly. That can be done several ways. I mean, the way he's thinking about doing it, let's bring in some indexing lines and put them in the center of the page. And whenever I do anything like this, I'm going to put that in the center of the page. And then I'm going to hold down the control button and lift it up. So there are, I should have counted before the video, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we need to rotate that. So we're going to do this right here. Click on it again, make sure it's in the center. Actually got the indexing line, and it's not. Do it again. We're in the center. We're going to go up to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Now we know that if you bring out a calculator, 360 divided by 20 is 18 degrees. So we're going to rotate this thing 18 degrees, but we only need 19 because we have one. And there you have it right there. And then you just color them yellow. I think he's trying to make some sort of sun. Take away the outline. And then because we're working in the center of the page, draw another circle, hold down the shift so it'll grow from the inside out, make it yellow, take away the outline, and voila, you have basically the same thing I drew in a lot less time. So let's do it this way. Let's get the polygon tool, but we go to the star tool and we set it on 20. I'm going to hold down the control button and get perfect. Then I'm going to hit P, and then I'm going to draw an ellipse, whatever size you think you want. Let's make it a little bit bigger, holding down the control button. And then all you have to do is go back minus front, and it did it. And then you just color them in yellow, take away the outline, bring in your other circle, P, make it smaller by holding down the control button. Make it yellow, take away the outline, and voila. In a few less strokes and a lot kind of easier to figure out, you can do it that way. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.